Well, we arrived, but not at the original place where we thought we were gonna drive to. The Cherry Down Park is completely full, so we're at a place called Jetty Park, but Jetty Park is at capacity, so we're here in some boat ramp area where people are just, you know, dropping their trucks. So you see people with the trailers here, and we don't have a trailer, so we can't park on the long parking spots, but some people are doing it. I don't want to get towed. I don't want to get a ticket. There's a big cruise ship here. So anyway, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna park ourselves here. Like, we park on that corner there in single car parking spots where there's no space for trailers or anything like that. And well, hopefully it's okay. I mean, some people here are risking it. As you can see here behind me, like, those cars are not supposed to be there. There's a ton of people here that are pretty much doing the same thing. They are waiting for their lunch and the booster landings. So I'm gonna flip the camera so I can show you where people are hanging out. This is like kind of the furthest part where you can be hanging out. After that canal here, there's absolutely no way, because the Air Force base is on that other side. So booster landing is gonna be like around this area here. So we're gonna wait it out, and then hopefully we get to see that from here for you. I really think that we found like a perfect spot here to watch it. We're facing, I think, the right way. So let me show you. So according to my calculations, booster's gonna land pretty much in that direction, like in that direction, I think. So we have a good view as long as that boat doesn't start like leaving the port. I think we have a perfect view, and we're even closer to where we're gonna be, because we were gonna be like a few miles in that direction, and we're actually like a lot closer here. So I think it's just a couple of miles away. So that means that we're gonna have really loud sonic booms and a good view of the rocket. So now it's about an hour away from the actual launch, and we're just gonna hang out here. Once this thing actually starts happening, I'm going to pull the phone again and record it, and hopefully it's gonna be great. So I hope I capture a good shot of this thing for the channel so you can enjoy it, and I'll talk to you soon. The boat just honked the thing. Loud. It was really loud.
They are leaving.
I hope they just like get away from here now so they don't block the rocket launch view.
Yeah, I just find it interesting.
There it is. You see it?
So we are about to watch the landing in a moment. Wow, so that was a really loud sonic boom that we just heard. It was about 6 miles away, so I couldn't capture like a really good view of it. I mean, I was able to distinguish where the landing legs were. I think I saw it coming down. I'm not sure. I gotta watch the video again. But that thing was super loud. It caught me by surprise a little bit. So that's a big difference from when we usually watch it at 10 miles away, and this was 6. That's it. Now we go back home. We drive 3-4 hours to spend 8 minutes in tension here and then get scared. And yeah, so ready to go home, have something to eat.
Yes, but it was awesome.
Yeah, it was really cool. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later.